quick update on the N54 Misfire. Things have gotten a little bit weird. Last time I posted about this, cylinder 4 was misfiring under boost. So the first thing that I did was swap cylinder 4 spark plug to cylinder 1, and the misfire stayed on cylinder 4. So next in line was swapping cylinder 4 coil pack to cylinder 1, and the misfire actually followed that coil pack. When I pulled the coil pack though, I noticed something a little bit interesting. The spark plug actually developed some flashover, as you can see with the carbon tracking on the insulator. So at that point, I thought maybe the plug was the issue. So I swapped in a different plug, and the misfire was still on cylinder 1. So at that point, I figured it had to be a coil pack. So I replaced all of the coil packs and that spark plug. And for a second, the car actually ran pretty great. But then the misfire came back. And one thing that I did notice that I probably overlooked was the coil pack boots themselves. Apparently, the coil pack boots that come with the B58 conversion kit for the M54 are not made super well, and they get pretty disconfigured, as you can probably see. And it's actually perfect timing because today these just showed up. Inside this package is a set of coil pack boots for B58 to N54 conversion, and they should be much better quality than the ones that I currently have on these coil packs right here. So what do you think it is? Is it bad coil pack boots or something deeper? Let me know in the comments. Cheers.